Hey friends, who's hungry? This ham casserole with tater tots is about to become your new go-to for busy mornings or weekend brunch. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a skillet over medium heat, add 1.5 teaspoons of oil. Toss in 1 diced red bell pepper and 3 chopped green onions. Saute for about 5 minutes until softened and fragrant. Add 1 pound of diced ham and cook for another 2 minutes, just until heated through. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool slightly. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 8 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese along with your ham and veggie mixture. Grease a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish and spread frozen tater tots in an even layer across the bottom. Pour the egg mixture right over the top, making sure everything is evenly covered. Then sprinkle on an additional cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake the casserole for 45 minutes or until the eggs are set and the top is golden and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes, then slice and serve. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.